You've heard the saying, don't judge a book by its cover, but let's be honest, we all do. And so does your reader. You could have a masterpiece inside, but if the cover looks amateur, people will scroll right past it. It's frustrating, especially if you've poured your heart into the book and can't afford a professional designer. That's why this video exists. I'll walk you through how to create a beautiful, professional-looking book cover, step by step. No paid software, no designer, just you and your vision, and it's completely free. I'll be showing you how to design for an 8.5 by 8.5 inch paperback with 66 pages, but you can use this exact method for any size or page count. Whether it's a journal, planner, or children's book, this process works. Let's make your book stand out. So let's get started with the first step, and that is finding the correct dimensions for your book cover. And no, you can't just open a blank white canvas on Canva and guess. This part is crucial. To make your cover the right way, head over to a very helpful site, booko.com. It's a simple tool that helps you format your book cover professionally and accurately, so it gets approved on platforms like Amazon KDP. Once you're on Booko, click on the KDP cover template generator. Scroll down just a little and fill in the following details. Book type, paperback. Width, 8.5 inches. Height, 8.5 inches. Paper type, choose any you prefer. White or cream, it's up to you. Next, leave the remaining fields blank and enter your email address in both of the email boxes. Then, check the box to confirm and click Email Cover Template. Now, go check your inbox. You should receive an email with your custom KDP cover template. For a book that's 8.5 by 8.5 inches with 66 pages, your full bleed size should be exactly 17.399 by 8.750 inches. These are the final dimensions you'll be working with. Great! We've got our dimensions now. Let's move on. It's time to start creating your actual book cover. For this tutorial, I'll be using Canva. It's free, easy to use, and powerful enough for this task. So, head over to Canva's website. Click on the Create a Design button. It's in the top left corner. Then choose Custom Size. Change the units to inches. Type in your custom dimensions. Width, 17.399. Height, 8.750. Now click on Create New Design. You'll now see a blank white canvas. The next step is to upload the cover template you just received from Booko. Drag it onto the canvas, stretch it, and fit it exactly to the full size of the page. This template will show you where the spine, front, and back cover areas are, including safe zones, margins, and the barcode zone. Now comes the exciting part, designing your cover. Let's start by creating the front cover. Let's say I'm designing a cover for my book, Cat's Coloring Book. But instead of staring at a blank canvas, let's get some inspiration from ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and type, ChatGPT, I'm creating a cover for my book, Cat's Coloring Book. Give me 10 prompts to generate a colorful image for the cover without any text. It'll give you 10 creative image prompts you can use for AI image generation. Now, pick one prompt you like, copy it, and come back to Canva. Scroll down and click on Magic Media. In the Styles section, choose a visual style like anime or concept art, depending on the vibe you want for your book. Paste the prompt you copied and click Generate Images. If you get a great image on the first try, that's awesome. If not, feel free to go back and try another prompt from ChatGPT. I found 2 images that looked amazing, and honestly, I couldn't decide. But eventually, I chose one. Cat lovers, don't hate me if your favorite didn't make the cut. Now, bring that image onto your Canva canvas. Place it on the right side of the template. That's your front cover. Remember to stay inside the safe zones and be mindful of the bleed lines. Your image should not cross over into the spine or left side of the canvas. Next, it's time to add text to your cover. But here's where it gets tricky. Not everyone knows color theory. Which color text works best on this background? Which colors will pop and which will get lost? Let's go back to ChatGPT for help. Take a screenshot of your image-based cover, upload it to ChatGPT, and type, "ChatGPT, I want to add text to this image. Suggest a good text color and straight color with hex codes so the text stands out." ChatGPT will provide color combinations that contrast well with your background. Pick one that looks good to you. Now it's time to actually add the text. You can add your title, subtitle, author name, whatever you want. Experiment with different fonts, colors, sizes. Play around until it feels balanced and visually strong. Quick tip: lower the image transparency to double-check if your text or image is accidentally crossing into the bleed areas. And there it is. The front cover is done. But wait, don't stop here. You can keep improving it by trying new font pairings, adding soft shadows for depth, studying similar books on Amazon for layout inspiration. Now, let's move on to the back cover. First, add a square shape to the left side of the canvas. Stretch it to fill the back cover area. This will be your background color. Next, let's get some color help from ChatGPT again. Upload a screenshot of your front cover and ask, "ChatGPT, what color should I use for the back cover so it complements the front design?" It'll suggest several color options, complete with hex codes. Test a few. See which one flows best with your front design. Once your background color is set, let's add a quote. Back to ChatGPT. This time, ask, "Give me a short, fun quote about cat coloring books to include on the back cover." Pick the one you like most and paste it into your design. Place it in the center or toward the top, whatever fits your layout. To add personality, try adding small illustrations, like paw prints, doodles, or floral elements. Use shadows or transparency to add depth. Important, don't place anything over the barcode area. Leave that section completely blank. And now, your full book cover is complete. You can keep enhancing it if you'd like. Play with the fonts, test different alignments, use visual hierarchy to guide the eye. When you're fully satisfied, go to Download and choose PDF Print. This is the format you'll upload to Amazon KDP when you publish your book. That's a wrap for this tutorial. If this video helped you even a little, send it to a friend who might also be struggling with their book cover. You never know. It might save them time, money, and a lot of stress. And hey, I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have suggestions for future videos, ideas, or just want to say hello, drop a comment below. I always read them. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.